Xiaomi is about to launch the Mi 10 Pro in the month of February. This is not official, but all the renders are showing that. The Mi 10 Pro said to be the first smartphone on Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. The Galaxy S20 series are also gonna be landed on 11th February. They will also have Snapdragon 865. Could the Mi 10 Pro launch before the Galaxy S20 series? Well, I don't think so. There are a lot of leaks regarding the Mi 10 Pro. We are gonna talk about all the leaks. The first leak is about the display. A lot of brands are trying to include high refresher display in their smartphones. It started with OnePlus 7 series. They were not the first on 90Hz refresher display, but OnePlus publicized a lot about it. Since then, a lot of smartphone brands have been trying to introduce this feature. Realme X2 Pro has been landed with 90Hz refresher display. Then Xiaomi has launched the Redmi K30 with 120Hz refresher display. Now it's the time for Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. The Mi 10 Pro is believed to have 120Hz refresher display. Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro could have FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz. There could also be a curved display and the screen size could be 6.5 inches. The second leak is about performance. Xiaomi has already confirmed the Mi 10 Pro will be the first smartphone on Snapdragon 865 chipset. Samsung is about to launch the Galaxy S20 series on 11th February. They will also have Snapdragon 865. It means the Mi 10 Pro is gonna be landed before 11th February. It will launch in China first, then it will come to India as well as global market. The Mi 10 Pro is about to be magnificent in terms of performance. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 is going to make it over. The third leak is about the camera. Everybody is looking forward to the camera. The camera has become the most significant part of this smartphone. In the Mi 10 Pro, there could be quad camera setup on the back side. There could be 108 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel wide angle and finally 8 megapixel depth sensor. The Mi 10 Pro is gonna be super cool in terms of camera. Speaking of front camera, Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro could have dual selfie camera in the punch hole module, main selfie camera and wide angle. The punch hole camera module could be on the right side, just like the Galaxy S10 Plus and Redmi K30. The fourth and the last leak is about the battery. We have got so many renders yet. According to them, the Mi 10 Pro could bring 4500 mAh battery. This is gonna be truly flagship phone. Incredible performance, incredible camera, incredible screen, long-lasting battery life as well. But the price should also be less. If I had to make an estimation, I would say the price could be around $435. Do a comment below what do you want to say about the price. A great thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next one and now I wanna wind up the video.